Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to share a recipe my mom found last week and tried called Bang Bang Chicken Casserole. I've already tasted this and it is so good. Let me show you how to do it. Alright, first step is to get our oven preheated to 350 degrees. And then we're going to get our chicken sliced up. Now this recipe calls for 3 large chicken breasts. I like chicken thighs better, so we're going to chop up a few of these chicken thighs. And the recipe says to just cut them in chunks, and I'm going to try and get some of this nasty fat off here. Okay, I'm going to add my chicken to a Ziploc bag just to make it easier to coat it in the spices. Alright, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons of onion powder. I don't have onion powder, I just have these chopped onions. They'll work just fine. 4 tablespoons of chili powder. And then just a pinch of salt and pepper. And we're going to zip this up and mix it all together to make sure the chicken gets coated. Alright, next up we're going to mix the rest of everything. It does call for a can of chicken broth. I don't have any canned broth, so I'm just going to get 2 cups of water and mix it with my chicken bouillon powder. Then we need 1.5 cups of basmati rice. Then I need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm using light mayonnaise. Then I need 1/2 cup of sweet Thai chili sauce. So 1/2 cup of sweet Thai chili sauce. 1/2 cup of gochujang, or just the Korean red chili sauce. 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, and then 1.5 cups of chopped or sliced mushrooms. I'm actually going to stir this together first before adding our final ingredient, which is our chicken. Alright, let's add in our chicken. And get it nice and coated in our sauce. Alright, we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 for 40-ish minutes. And then we'll be done. Alright, it has been 40 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and check. Okay, I think it needs about 10 more minutes. I still have some uncooked rice. It has been 60 minutes because the rice was not cooked. So it now looks like the rice is pretty much all the way cooked. So I think it's just going to depend on your oven, but mine took 60 minutes when the recipe said 40, so just kind of keep, a close eye on it. But this is Bang Bang Chicken Casserole. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.